Lowo, owabe engukhomishana wamaphoyisa UKhomotso Phahlane kanye naabanye abahlanu bavela enkantolo yamacala ezemali ePitoli ngamacala okukhwabanisa nenkohlakalo isamba sezigidi ezingamashumi nane zamarandi. UPhahlane kanye nasolwa nabo baboshwe kulelisonto ezifundazweni ezehlukene mayelana nesivumelwano esacikicwa ngo-2016. Umphenyi oyimele uPaul O'Sullivan uthi kuyathokozisa ukubona leli cala lifike enkantolo yize kwaba nemizamo eminingi ukuphazamisa uphenyo.
Phahlane and his accomplices, not just the people he's appearing with today, but many other generals in the police, I think we counted 12 or 13 of them. Between them, they ran a reign of terror in the police in this country for the better part of 4 or 5 years. They've all been brought to book. Well, not all of them. There's still a few senior police officials that need to be taken down, and they will be taken down. We're keeping our foot on the gas. We're not going to let go. I started on Phahlane as far back as 2016. I started with some of the others as far back as 2012. And for our sins, I was dragged off a plane along with 2 of my small children, detained and tortured for 3 days. And the police thought they had me by the whatsits, and they didn't. I kept the heat on, and now we're starting to see the results. I must say, the good work done by IPID, despite the intimidation, many of our colleagues that we were working with in IPID, they were arrested and charged, along with myself and Sarah Jane Trent. She was kidnapped and driven around the streets for 6 hours and dumped at a rural police station. They did everything they could to stop us from what we were doing, and it backfired on them.